Hello everyone, welcome back to our MAP Techno Solution channel. So if you are a beginner to learn a Linux and DevOps tools, you are in a right place, in a right channel. In an entire complete course, we are going to cover a complete Linux part like a beginner to advanced level commands. And once after completing this Linux part, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools. To learn the DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on Linux part, okay? In the last 10 lectures, we covered all these commands, okay? Like a cd command, okay? Whoami command, dwd command, how to get the host name and server name, how to get the IP address, how to get the memory details, okay? And how to get the process ID, process management commands, okay? And how to kill the process, okay? And file management. In the file management, we saw this touch command, okay? And in the last lecture, we covered this cat command separately, okay? So if you are not aware about all these commands, please go through these all videos and do yourself all commands in practical. So, and after that, you can continue the today's session. Okay, in the today's session, we are going to cover about this list command, okay? So I have provided this notes for the list command. Okay, what is the list command? What is ls? The ls is short form of list. Okay, list command is used to show a directory and files. Okay, in a current working directory, it will show the all files and directories in a working directory. Okay, we'll see that ls, and this is the syntax. Ls, you can give the option and that file or directory name. It will show the a list of that complete file and directory information. Okay, we will see this. First, we will see this ls. Okay, do ls, hit enter. So pwd, check that I'm in home map directory. In that map directory, these all files are containing. When you perform this ls command, it will show the list of that this working directories. Okay, so we will see this ls-la command. It will show the like hidden files. Okay, hidden means the dot which starts with the dot file. Okay, that is hidden file. ls-a, hit enter. See the dot files means dot local, whichever in a dot format, right? So that is hidden file. You can see here. So whichever started with a dot, that is a hidden file. Okay, dot for file. Okay, it will show the all hidden files. Okay, ls-i. Okay, it will give the inode number of, okay, that is inode means index number. Okay, ls-i, say here what it given, it given the inode number of the particular file. This is inode number of this file. Okay, so if you're not aware about this, what is inode number, so we'll cover that in another lecture. So if we start covering this inode number and all in this lecture, the ls topic will interrupt. Okay, we'll see that one later. Okay, ls-l, it will give the long format. It will give the long format along with the permission it will show. See here, ls-l, hit enter. See here what happened when you perform the ls-l. See here, it given the long format. Okay, long format of the complete information. This is long format information. It's given along with the permissions. Along with this is permissions. Okay, these permissions we will see later. This for this desktop file, it's given a long format information. Okay, ls-lh, it will give the long format list along with the like a human-readable format. See here, scroll up the screen, ls-lh, hit enter. See here, previously what happened, the data size is in like in normally in bytes, it given in bytes. So when you perform h will, what it will do, it will give all information in like a kb, human-readable format. So video file, before it's showing the 4096 bytes. Okay, when you perform h means it given human-readable file like a 4 kb. The file size 4 kb. Okay, you can see here. H will perform, it will show in human-readable format. Okay. ls-ls, it will give the file size and in long format. See it? ls-ls, it given the file size. See here, file size is 4 KB, 4 KB, right? File size is 4 KB, that is desktop file. Here is a desktop file. Size is 4 KB. Here you can check a file size is 4 KB. Okay. You can perform. I'll scroll up screen. ls hyphen. Yes. See here, it will give on the 4 KB size. Okay. ls hyphen. Yes. H also you can perform. See here, the file size is 4 KB. It will give in a human readable format when you will perform H. Yes means that is size. It's given 4 KB for yes, and this KB means that is human readable format. Okay. ls hyphen R. ls hyphen R will give the reverse order. Okay. What is the reverse order? Like a A to Z, it's ascending order and descending order. Okay. Reverse order it will give. See here, ls hyphen R. Hit enter. See here, V letters came first. Okay. It will give the in reverse order. Okay. So ls hyphen capital R, it will give a recursive directory, means nested directory. Whatever the file or directory consider inside this. See here, sometimes if you want to check, so like I will check with this user file. Okay, in user file, what all the directories and information there. Okay, hyphen R, it will show recursively. So what I will do, I will hit enter. You can see here. So when I perform this ls hyphen R recursively with this directory, so inside this user directory there is a demo directory is existing, and inside the user demo directory there is one file in there. Means it will give the recursively whatever the file considering what all the information file, nested files and directory, it will give recursively complete information. Okay. ls hyphen, yes, this is list by the size. Okay, we already saw this. Okay, this is ls hyphen, that is capital S. It will sort by a file size. You can see here, ls hyphen capital S. Hit enter. So it will sort of files according to the size of that files. Okay, here showing the 4 KB same files, but inside that file some it containing the data. So according to that size of that directory or file, it is sorted. Okay, capital S will sort according to the size of that file. Okay, which one is big file, that will comes in the first. Okay, ls hyphen T, T will sort according to the date and time. You can see here, ls hyphen T, what I will do, I will do L, means in a long format I want to check. See, so according to your expectation, you can give the option, it will show the details. Okay, so I want to check in long format. Like in long format, I given L. Okay, see here, when I perform this command, the long format information given. Okay, along with the time. So this is when the file is like modified along with that time and given. So when, see, the time is sorted here. See here, like this is in 12 o'clock. Okay, and after that it's like 1 PM. Okay, so along with the file, along with the time, the files has been sorted. Okay, so ls hyphen L, so it will give the modified time. Okay, how we will come to know that modified time? We will check that one. ls hyphen L and hit enter. So particularly what I will do, stat for this video file, I will check the stat of copy stat. I will type, give me a minute. Okay, that is in capital letter. V is in capital letter. Hit enter. See here. See what it will show, a video file. Okay, that video file, that modified time. So you can see here that modified time is 1 o'clock and 58 seconds. You can see here 1 o'clock. Okay, ls-lu will give that is modified time of that files. Okay, these all are this time all times like modified time of this each file. Okay, I hope you got this point. ls-lu it will show the access time of the file. Okay, let's see this. Hit enter. ls-lu what I will do, stat again for this video file I will check, copy and paste, hit enter. See here, access time and modified time are different. Okay, see here, for this video file the modified time when the file has been access time is when the file has been accessed, when the file has been opened. Okay, accessed. So that is 8 o'clock 53 minutes. Okay, so you can see here access time of that file 8 o'clock 53 minutes, that video file. Okay, and I check the status of video file here. Okay, it will show the ls-lu will show the access time of that file. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, so in the next lecture we're going to cover this types of files. Okay, types of files in Linux. Okay, what you need to do is today do all the commands in practical yourself. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Good day to everyone. Thank you.